First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a mini muffin pan or line it with paper liners.
Now let's mix the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the oat flour, some chocolate protein powder, and a bit of cocoa powder. Finally, add the baking powder and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Start with some thick Greek yogurt. Add a large dollop of creamy peanut butter. Next, add a spoonful of honey, followed by a splash of vanilla extract. Now whisk the mixture vigorously. Mix until everything is completely smooth and uniform.
Now pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir everything together with a wooden spoon. Add the milk a little at a time until you get a thick brownie batter. Gently fold in the chocolate chips. Now spoon the batter into the cups. Try to fill each one evenly. Aim for about 3/4 full. Tap the pan gently on the counter. Then they are ready to bake.
Bake the brownie bites for 12 to 15 minutes. You want the tops to be set. Check them by inserting a toothpick. It should come out with a few moist crumbs. Let the brownie bites cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack. Let them cool completely.
This is the best brownie